I'm Sara Vallecillos and I'm an illustrator and graphic designer. Personally, I'm very passionate about the world of comic books and character design. Over time, I've learned various traditional techniques like oil, watercolor, pencils, which I love, but I've definitely specialized myself in digital art. In my work, the most important thing to me is an expressive line, as well as color ranges and atmospheres that transport the viewer to a specific place or story. On this course, we'll go through some brief exercises that will help you get the hang of the basic tools used for each technique, and also loosen up by trying out different brushes. When we get to the color, we'll create some color ranges and work with some gradients for shading. At the end of the course, I'll assign you a personal project, and to help you, I'll attach a sketch, although you can work with one of your own if you prefer. To enroll on this course, you don't need to have a lot of Photoshop knowledge. Knowing the basics is enough. As throughout the course, we'll learn the necessary skills and tools for each technique. All you need is a computer with Photoshop installed, a graphics tablet, and of course, a love of drawing. So, if you're passionate about drawing, and you're looking to give your projects more of a professional finish to take them to the next level, then this course will provide you with the tools that you need to achieve this.